My top boss, today I'm delighted to be launching this magnificent shop of ours, Top Heights Electricals. My top boss, I want to thank you so much for being part of my journey. This is going to be an online platform where you can purchase the products that we at Top Heights believe that are good for your installation, for your projects as a direct consumer, or for your recommendation to your customers. Top boss, share with me in this happy moment whereby we are launching this magnificent display here. Now, it is an important session and my guest is definitely you. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. I celebrate you, my top boss. I will be reviewing products and sharing information on our whiteboard. We'll be talking about the features that are common or the outward outlook. Welcome to our today's video where we are talking about this must inverter. In this video, I'm going to highlight features that are visible from the user's perspective. That means on the outside. But when we get to the workshop, we will get into the nitty-gritty and understand the operation aspect of the products, including analyzing the motherboard. The purpose of the fan is to direct all the hot air generated from the MOSFETs or these heat sinks that you can see inside, so that it will be pumped out of the inverter, as well as the operation and the longevity, or if the product is very good for projects before we can have the product on our shelves. When the product lands on this shelf, it has gone through a lot of stages, and by the time it gets here, we have approved that it is a good product. But if at all it passes the stage of whiteboard and fails at the workshop stage, it will not see the light of day on our shelves. And that is how we will be approving products for your use. Top boss, join me in the celebration of this milestone here at Top Heights Electricals. And I want to thank you so much for being part of the journey. Just the other day, we announced that Top Heights is a PLC, private limited company. And today, I'm so delighted to be sharing this journey and this milestone with you, my top boss, because you know what? It is because of you that I have reached this point. My top boss feel inspired in one way or the other in this journey. I know much more is to come. Thank you so much for your support. Top boss, I salute you.